In VISI, like in many other softwares, there is a undo and redo function at the top of the screen. However, in VISI, there is also a undo and redo within the CAM area. The point of this is to allow the CAM and CAD to be kept separate when undoing and redoing. For example, I have a roughing spiral operation here, and I think I might want to change it to a zigzag operation. With it built, if I come back and I have a look at the operation, and I decide that I don't like how it looks and I want to go back to the spiral, I undo once to undo the build, and then undo again to bring it back to the spiral operation. The main advantage of this function is so that way anything that you affect in the CAM does not affect the tree of undos in the CAD area. For example, if I bring us back to the zigzag, like we have here, if I decide I want to patch up this hole in the CAD area, I can patch up that hole. As we can see, it does not affect the CAM area. So I can undo and redo between zigzag and spiral whilst not affecting the CAD. If I want to get rid of the hole and stick to spiral, I just undo in the CAD area and my CAM remains unaffected. As we can see, it does not affect the CAM area.